Introducing the 2021 Peugeot 308. Riding on an evolution of the EMP2 platform, the next generation Peugeot 308 will be powered by a turbocharged 3-cylinder engine offered in 2 states of tune. The 1.2-liter gasoline unit develops 110 and 130 horsepower sent to the wheels via a 6-speed manual or an optional 8-speed automatic transmission for the more powerful version. On the diesel side, a 4-cylinder 1.5-liter is rated at 130 horsepower and comes with either auto or manual transmissions. At launch, there will also be 2 plug-in hybrid front-wheel drive models with an 8-speed automatic, a 12.4 kilowatt-hour battery pack, and an electric motor producing 81 kilowatt in both cases.
Okay, Peugeot, call Fred.
Calling Fred.
Okay, Peugeot, call Fred.
Calling Fred.